Hi, my name is Paul Knoll and I'm the president of MCL. Today I want to talk a little bit about design for manufacturability. Most people are familiar with the typical design requirements. So you may design something to meet a customer need, to hit a safety requirement, or to be a certain weight or height. But not everyone's familiar with design for manufacturability. So what that means is you may design something so that it flows down the manufacturing line better. It may be designed to fit specifically into a piece of manufacturing equipment, maybe a mold or a press, or down a manufacturing line. These changes are often small, but can have a dramatic impact on the throughput of the production line and the cost of the part or parts that you're making. Many companies have the ability to do this in-house if you're a larger company and you do your own design and manufacturing work, but other folks don't. So if you choose a manufacturing partner instead of doing work in-house or are considering that, a good manufacturing partner should have the ability to help you redesign the components, again, potentially very slightly, to work with the equipment and the production line that they have in place, ultimately getting you to the best part. So lowest price, highest throughput. So something you may want to consider as you look at your outsourcing partners. So that's all I've got for today. Thanks again for tuning in, and please feel free to leave questions or comments.